As you can see, police, tire marks, moment of collision, another wheel smashed. It's such a feeling.
3, 2, 1, action.
Guys, I'm heartbroken. I'm not gonna start this video with the usual self. You guys are used to me screaming, shouting, being happy. Not today. Today, it is unfortunately a sad day. And I think the best way to describe how I feel is by taking you back in time.
All right, guys, not just a reveal. Today, we're gonna be modifying it, customizing it, making it look 10/10. If you think this looks good, just wait for what's coming in today's video. Let's walk around quickly, do your little 360 GA2 M4 2023 plate, pretty much brand new, very thick. Like, this is not what I signed up for, do you know what I mean? Bruh. And it's everywhere, it's covered the whole car. Here. I'm not happy with it. So we're gonna be getting a car wash as well. Don't even worry about it. You can see the back. If you think this is beefy, oh my god, just wait, man, just wait. I'm here with my cameraman as well, Lewis. His car is literally right there. You can see that M4. He's gonna be here assisting us. Bruh. 2-hour road trip to the secret place. I'll reveal it there. And all right, guys, quick stop before the actual main event of the day, you could say. Car wash. The bird is gone finally, man. Shout out to this guy cleaning it for us. Obviously super happy. 2-hour road trip, super tired. Lewis is tired. Getting started. It's 9 in the morning. I can't complain, man. We've been racing through. Everyone's been loving the car. And you can see it looks completely bald at the minute, man. We're about to give it a fresh new look. So as you can see, there's nothing at the front. No splitters, nothing, just naked. Nothing on the side skirts, completely bald, just boring. Steering wheel, have a last look at it because you're not going to see it ever again. It's going to look insane. Everything we're getting is all going to be carbon fiber, so only the best, man. You already know. Unwrapping my presents, little early access. Show the shop, show the shop. This is a dream to have one day, something like that. Oh boy. Ooh. That's good, isn't it?
That's crazy. That looks insane.
Oh yeah, that's proper good. Yeah, nah, okay, cool. No more spoilers, innit? Bruh. Guys, I just got a brand new upgrade, my new car. Boom.
Oh, hell no.
Okay, I'm joking, innit? It's a courtesy car. They're giving it to me for a few hours whilst they're doing work on my other car. Little Batmobile for the day. And look at these cars here, you guys. Oh my goodness, this is a dream. GC3 RS. All the TikTok fanboys would be creaming over this. Guys, I got bad news. I got lost. I think I'm in Dubai or something, I don't know. No, I'm just joking. Turn the camera. So what we got here, guys? Holy.
Pretty sick.
I'm gonna tell him what to do. We're gonna show him something. And, oh, it's electric.
Yeah, let's see it. Let's see it.
Oh! Nah, that's sick. That's sick. That's uh-oh. No way. Oh shit. Guys, since we're in the topic of cars in this video, I'd like to introduce you my second car that I've bought. My brand new Ferrari. Cameraman. I'd like to introduce you my brand new cars, 2 new cars, my brand new Ferraris. Huh? I bought 2 Ferraris, a black one and a brown one, and oh, I'm scared. Look like I'm a n***y or something. How'd you speak horse language?
What?
Anyway, back to the video. No! Bro, I just hit 400k right now, look. No way, man. Special day for myself and the car. Oh, man. At least I hit it with CT carbon here. And bro, I still can't believe it, man. I got 400k right now. That's my dream car. I want to manifest by 1 million subscribers to own a Ferrari, man. Please. Please. Alright, car review. You can see the new spoiler, the new carbon bits at the bottom, all the diffusers and the F1 light. Every time I touch the brake, you can see it lights up. And then of course, let's not forget about the steering wheel, the brand new LED carbon fiber steering wheel by CT Carbon. And yeah.
Alright, we have crashed. As you can see, police, and tire marks. Moment of collision. I'm in my PJs. It's nighttime. The damage. This will be paid for, of course. And here we are. As you can see, yeah, we're cooked. Oh my goodness. And all the airbags have gone off. We need a new window. Another wheel smashed. So both wheels will get fixed. The bottom splitter, the window, and obviously the rear. It's a fat dent. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We need to get this carbon bit paid for as well. Not a biggie. Could have been worse. Most importantly is we're safe. We are safe. That's all that matters, and we're healthy. And we thank God for it, even though it's such a shit feeling. If these policemen are watching, huge shout out to them. They have made this so easy. Now that it's daytime, you can see we're still here. 2 hours later, no recovery, just waiting. You can see the damage. It's pretty bad. It's just this wheel, that, splitter, the damage, and the police. Still waiting here, guys. How fun. How flippin' fun. Eventually, the recovery truck finally came after 7 hours. Very fun by BMW.
So that's it, you guys. We've crashed, the car's been picked up, and the question is, where's the car now? And the answer is very simple, it's behind you. As you can see, the car is just so dusty, man. This is my heart right now. I'm heartbroken. But with all jokes aside, this car is part of me, guys. Everyone told me to just destroy the car, scrap it, sell it. I can't do that. This is a symbol of everything I've ever done in my life, you know, to get to this point and get this car. So the answer is very simple. We're not destroying it. We are not scrapping it. And the main reason why I'm doing that is because of the place I'm at. The place I'm at is not just any place. These guys have passion. They have a heart for cars. They love what they do, and all the cars you're about to see, this, that, they have all been crashed before, and they've got the same story, the same scars. They've been in pain like I have, and my car has, and look at them now. They're now the most legendary cars all the way in the UK. The famous 140i, another weapon behind you. I'll give you like a little sneak peek, but guys, little sneak peek. Whoa, cameraman, don't show too much. These cars are a symbol of their hard work and the passion for cars. They love what they do. They like to give everything a second chance. I was given one by the one man himself. And I want to give him a huge shout out, Andy. He's not here yet, but you're going to see him in a future video because he's a huge part of the story. He's the person that convinced me to not destroy the car, give it a second life, a second chance, and everyone deserves a second chance. So guys, I know the video started dumb bitch. Every time I talk, it opens its mouth. Take two. Yeah. That's it. Take number 5, all right? Where Andy has brought me is the one and only place that would ever take these projects. KCW Body Shop. Oh. So if you feel bad for me, make sure you spam call them. That's right. The only way I could feel good about that situation that just happened is you booking them up. Bodywork, repairs, upgrades, they got it all. The address is in the screen. And it's not just in the screen for you to look at it. Go check them out if you actually need anything to do with your car. Ladies and gents, the M4 was given a second life, a second chance by the one and only KCW. Was that good? That was a lot.